everyone, my name is Nate Taylor, and welcome to my course, Storybook Getting Started. I am a lead software developer at Aperture in Omaha, Nebraska. Storybook is the leading sandbox for developing and documenting UI components. In this course, we're going to cover why you would want to use Storybook, as well as show you how to use it. You'll also learn some tips about using it on your team. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include installation, branding Storybook, writing stories, using and writing add-ons. By the end of this course, you'll be able to install Storybook, document components via stories, use add-ons, and even write your own add-on. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with JavaScript. And if you're familiar with React, that's a bonus. But if not, don't worry about it. We'll get you there. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Storybook with the Storybook Getting Started course at Pluralsight.